Assalamu alaikum to all dearest participants and very honorable chief guests. My name is Ikra Asgar and today I am here for the poster presentation on the topic Future Steps and Potentials for Improvement During COVID-19. In this regard, these are the following: preventive measures, vaccination, boosting our immune system, health of our heart and brain, stress reduction. Our country's health department is a very major issue. Lockdown significance should also not be ignored. Laws and their implementations. Future of our education is a big question. Hospitals condition and healthier environment. And the very crucial of all of this is the awareness. As we know, coronavirus, which is also called a pandemic outbreak, began in China and then it has become a worldwide crisis. People are fearing more but fighting less in this way. All the things are very crucial. Vaccinations also playing important role to prevent our body's immune system. Although no single vaccine is 100% effective, but these are helping. Boosting our immune system is a key step to prevent from corona attacks. In this regard, health of our brain and heart is very important for our body's immune system. For a healthier body, a healthy mind is always needed because when we have an inner peace of our heart, we have a healthy brain, and healthy brain means a healthier lifestyle. Health department of our country has to play its role in tackling with the crisis. Human health should be taken as a priority as no politics, no degree, not even any status is higher than humanity. Human health should be our main focus. In this regard, healthier environment is a compulsion for all the times, but especially for this time. According to the World Health Organization, 12.6 million people died annually because of the disease caused by unhealthy environment. So no more ignorance should be tolerated for healthy environments. Plantation of more trees is a way to control the climate change. All the hospitals should have the basic facilities to provide to patients. Separate wards for non-COVID patients and hygienic rooms for HCP must be set up. Medical staff should be provided counseling by seniors. Lockdowns is the need of the hour, as no doubt that it has decreased the rate of active cases in the world, but lost its significance when people do not follow its instructions. But lockdown is a curse because it is placing a very immense pressure on our global economy. We have a solution for it. Easing lockdown by replacing it with a smart one will be more effective. Strict laws should be made and followed by all the people. Laws are followed by the nations when these are made equal for the rich and the poor. Our education is adversely affected by the coronavirus cases. Institutions are closed because of the lockdowns. We are trying to solve the issue by online education, but it is not an alternative for the physical education or physical interaction. Technology based issues are also major barriers in providing the online education. Its betterment is compulsory because education is a major arsenal for any nation for a peaceful survival. For all those are important, but awareness is very crucial. Proper guidance is better than a degree which is taken in an unaware way. Government should set up camps for COVID-19 awareness. Public should inform completely about the precautions, preventions and hygienic conditions to reduce the risk of infection. Healthcare workers and volunteers should play their role in this regard. Education ministers should include the pandemic awareness in the syllabus to aware the students and other general public. This is a brief abstract on the future steps and potentials for improvement during COVID-19. Thank you.